Hi class, this is Miss Leisure. Thank you for visiting the Leisure Math channel. So we're going to do special right triangles today, the 45, 45, 90 triangle specifically. So have your notes handy and ready to go, and if you've got any questions, be sure to write them down. Remember, you can pause and rewind and fast forward. You're in control of your learning here. Alright, here we go. So the 45, 45, 90 triangle is based on a 1 by 1 square. Here you can see we've got a square and all the sides are 1 unit. 1 foot by 1 foot, 1 inch by 1 inch, 1 meter by 1 meter. Whatever the units are, it's a 1 by 1. Alright, so what if we draw the diagonal in here? If you can remember from when we talked about quadrilaterals, in a square, the diagonal, even in a rhombus, the diagonal bisects the opposite angle. So both of these are 45, and the top ones as well are 45 each. Okay, now, what if you're asked to find the length of the diagonal? Well, we're going to have to use Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to plug in. We're going to do just one of these triangles. So we're going to plug in the 1 and the 1 for the A and the B. And we're going to find our C, which was the hypotenuse. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so C, the hypotenuse, is the square root of 2. Okay, well let's see, what does that help us with? So the ratio of the sides of a triangle, of the 45, 45, 90 triangle specifically, are 1 to 1 to the square root of 2. Okay, now how does that help us? Well, anywhere we have a 1 here, if I was to multiply this entire rectangle by 4, make it 4 times bigger, it would become a 4 by 4 by 4 square roots of 2. So anywhere we have the 1 there, we can actually replace it with an x. And I'll show you what that helps us with in just a few minutes. Alright, so here's the example. Now, let's find the hypotenuse. Use your Pythagorean theorem. Substitute in the 8 squared and the 8. 8 and 8. There we go. Well, but that doesn't look anything like something square roots of 2. But what if we just simplify the square root of 128? So simplify the 128 square root. There we go. So we have 3 groups of 2, so that gives us a 2 for each, which gives us 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 square roots of 2. Alright, so the diagonal is, or the hypotenuse, is 8 square roots of 2. Now that does look familiar. 8 square roots of 2. So let's look at the next slide. So 8 square roots of 2 is the diagonal for the 8 by 8 triangle. Look at where the x's are. Exactly, you're seeing it. The 8 here is the x. Wherever there is an x, there is an 8. The hypotenuse, to get to the hypotenuse, you take the leg and multiply it by the square root of 2. Okay, so whatever the leg is times the square root of 2. So let's look at this one. You got it quick. Good job. 5 times the square root of 2, because 5 is x. So this is going to be x square roots of 2. 5 square roots of 2. Good. Alright, now this one we're going to go the other way. This is 3 times the square root of 2. So match up your the 2 over here. What is x? Well, it has to be the 3. So both sides are 3. Good job. Okay, so now let's look at this one. 15 times the square root of 5. So what are the 2 missing sides? Ah, you got quick on that one. 15. You're doing good. Alright, so this one now. To go from the leg to the hypotenuse, you have to multiply by the square root of 2, right? Okay, so let's do some little matching here. If you remember our similar triangles, we're going to match some things up. So if we match the 6 and the x square roots of 2, we can set those equal to each other. And by setting those equal to each other, we divide both sides by the square root of 2. Okay. Now, so that's 6 divided by the square root of 2. That's the missing side here. Okay. It's actually both sides. But as you know, you can't have a square root of 2, no square roots, in the denominator. So we have to rationalize. And this is what we're working on this week with our PODs. So we're going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying the top and the bottom by the square root of 2. And that leaves us with nothing but 3 square roots of 2. So we can put that there for our answer. And the other side is also 3 square roots of 2. So we have 3 square roots of 2 times 3 square roots of 2, and the hypotenuse is 6. Okay? So we'll be practicing that. This is the end. And thank you for visiting the Leisure Math channel. Make sure you got your questions written down for tomorrow. I'll be seeing you in class. Have a good day.